Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the exquisite HIKAA 40PCS extra thickness satin loft heavy-duty silverware set, a stunning stainless steel flatware collection designed to serve 8 with style and durability. This set features a vintage matte finish that not only adds a touch of elegance to your table but also minimizes fingerprints, making it a breeze to clean in the dishwasher without damaging its surface texture. With an excellent thickness, each piece offers a satisfying grip, boasting dimensions like a 9.0mm knife and 5.0mm dinner fork, ensuring you feel in control with every use. Crafted with durability and convenience in mind, this dishwasher-safe tableware is perfect for busy households and those who appreciate the ease of modern appliances, keeping your silverware pristine with minimal effort. Ideal for both home and commercial use, whether you're hosting a family dinner or providing a professional dining experience at a restaurant or hotel, the HIKAA matte silverware set is a perfect choice. Each utensil is thoughtfully designed to be perfectly sized for comfort and utility, providing a dining experience that feels just right in your hand without compromising functionality. So, elevate your dining experience with the HIKAA matte silverware set and enjoy the perfect blend of style, durability, and practicality. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.